the 8 by 7 foot reinforced fiberglass magnetic single garage screen door. It is affixed in our shed. It does come with the Velcro and adhesive Velcro so that you can attach it to the sides. The bottom remains loose, but the center does have the magnetic strip. It's very strong. It's considered hands-free, so you could walk through it and it would be reattaching itself for the magnets. This is a better system, I think, than some of the others that just have the single strips of magnets. They don't seem to hold up as well. Again, it fixed very well to the wall. The adhesion for the Velcro is very good. Also, you can roll up each side and use the clips that you see here to hold it out of your way if you don't want to have the screens down. Again, it's very useful. You can see here as it's rolled up. And again, this is a very functional screen. I have enjoyed having it here. Again, we've had some high winds, so it will blow open on occasion, but again, you kind of can expect that. This was during the install here, and it was very simple to install. I hope you enjoy this review.